Looking for the perfect sewing machine for your home? Whether you're just starting out or ready to tackle quilts and garments like a pro, the right machine makes everything easier. Today, we're counting down 5 incredible sewing machines for home use that deliver real results without breaking the bank. Check the links in the description for current prices and deals. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Janome 3160 QDCG. And honestly, this machine punches way above its weight class. You're getting 60 built-in stitches, an automatic thread cutter, and that Superior Plus feed system that performs like machines costing twice as much. The LCD screen is bright and responsive, absolutely perfect for quick stitch selection. That memorized needle up-down function works flawlessly, and the adjustable foot pressure with 7 different settings gives you excellent control across any fabric type. You'll see smooth feeding with delicate silks and powerful handling with heavy canvas. What really caught my attention was the portability factor. This full-featured machine weighs only 12 pounds without sacrificing stability, which is rare even in premium models. The extension table provides serious workspace for quilting, and that bonus quilt kit with specialized feet adds tremendous value right out of the box. Here's what you should know, though. The feature set is more advanced than basic machines on this list. If you're a complete beginner who just wants simple straight stitching, you might find the learning curve slightly steeper than necessary for your immediate needs. The value proposition is insane. You're getting Janome's legendary reliability with a 25-year warranty on mechanical parts, and you're paying a fraction of what their top-tier models cost. For quilters and serious hobbyists who want a machine they won't outgrow, that's an absolute no-brainer. At number 4, we have the Brother XR 3774, and this is where beginner-friendly meets serious capability. You're getting 37 built-in stitches, 8 presser feet included, and a wide table that transforms your workspace for larger projects without adding bulk. The automatic needle threader works consistently, every single time, which is perfect for anyone who struggles with threading. That drop-in bobbin system with the clear cover lets you monitor thread levels at a glance, and the free arm feature handles sleeves and cuffs like an absolute dream. What makes this machine special is how it bridges the gap between starter machines and professional equipment. The walking foot included in the box prevents fabric shifting during quilts, which normally costs extra with other brands. The one-step buttonhole function produces clean, professional results, and the overall stitch quality rivals machines at double the price. Here's the trade-off, though. The sewing speed is moderate compared to heavy-duty models. If you're planning high-volume production work or racing through dozens of projects weekly, you might occasionally wish for faster stitching capability on longer seams. For home sewers and small business owners, this delivers exactly what you need. The lightweight design makes it easy to move between rooms or take to classes, and Brother customer support is genuinely helpful. You're getting exceptional value with a machine that handles everything from fashion to quilts. Coming in at number 3, the Singer Heavy Duty 4423 is built for power users who need serious performance. You're getting 1,100 stitches per minute, a 60% stronger motor, and that heavy-duty metal frame construction that'll last for decades of regular use. The stainless steel bed plate provides a super smooth surface that fabric glides across effortlessly, absolutely perfect for continuous sewing sessions. That adjustable presser foot pressure gives you excellent control, whether you're working with delicate chiffon or tough leather and upholstery. You'll see consistent results across any material thickness. What really stands out is how this machine handles challenging fabrics. Multiple layers of denim, canvas bags, even leather projects go through smoothly without the motor struggling. The LED lighting is brighter than expected, making detailed work much easier. 23 built-in stitches gives you enough variety without overwhelming complexity. Here's what you need to consider, though. The powerful motor generates noticeably more noise than computerized models on this list. If you're sewing late evenings in an apartment or around sleeping children, the sound level might be something to think about before committing. The durability factor is where this machine truly shines. Singer's reputation for building machines that outlast trends is completely earned here. You're investing in equipment that handles heavy-duty projects today and will still be running strong 20 years from now. For serious sewers, that longevity justifies every penny. At number 2, check out the Brother CS7000X Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine. This is the updated version that fixed some issues from earlier models, and it shows. 70 built-in stitches with 7 one-step buttonholes give you tons of creative options without overwhelming complexity. The improved automatic needle threader is what users mention most. Earlier Brother models had temperamental threaders, but they absolutely nailed it with this version. It works consistently, which matters more than any fancy feature when you're actually sitting down to sew. 10 presser feet included means you're genuinely ready for almost any project right out of the box. Buttonhole foot, zipper foot, blind stitch foot, quilting guide, stuff that would cost you $50 to $70 if purchased separately. That's real value that shows up when you're expanding your skills. The metal frame provides excellent stability while keeping weight reasonable for moving between storage and your sewing table. That LCD display is backlit and clear, making it easy to work on those late-night projects without straining your eyes. The consideration here, with all these features, comes a slight learning curve. If you're brand new to sewing, you might feel a bit overwhelmed initially, but the included instructional materials are actually helpful, and most users report feeling comfortable within a few projects. And taking the number 1 spot, we have the Brother HC1850 Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine. This is the machine that consistently tops recommendation lists, and after looking at hundreds of reviews, I completely understand why. 185 built-in stitches, including 55 alphanumeric characters for basic manogramming, gives you absolutely incredible versatility. The backlit LCD display makes stitch selection a breeze, even in less than perfect lighting. You can see stitch width and length recommendations right there on screen, taking the guesswork out of settings. 8 presser feet included, plus that wide table, mean you're equipped for everything from hemming pants to piecing full-size quilts. Variable speed control with the start-stop button is perfect for beginners who need to work slowly while building confidence. But experienced sewers love it too for precision work on tricky sections. The automatic needle threader is reliable and quick, saving your eyes and your patience. What really seals the deal is the price point. You're getting computerized convenience, tons of stitches, and solid Brother reliability for under $250. That's genuinely remarkable value that makes quality sewing accessible without requiring a massive investment. The consideration here, with 185 stitches, you might find yourself rarely using 90% of them. If you prefer simplicity and know you'll stick to basic stitches, you're paying for features you won't use. But having those options means you'll never outgrow this machine. Those are the top 5 sewing machines that'll serve you well for years. Each brings something unique, so choose based on your specific projects and budget. Check those description links for current deals and pricing. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!